Hello friends, myself Dr. Hemant, and today I am going to explain you how to score excellent rank and how to crack NEET PG 2022 exam on 12th March in last 45 days study. So guys, if you think you are not prepared well till now, then also possible to crack NEET PG 2022 examination. So my target to explain you how to crack. For that I bring one for crash course program for last 45 days strategy to crack NEET PG 2022 examination. In that strategy, daily I am going to provide you 3 videos per day, okay, or 2 videos per day. Total 150 videos are there, and guys, if you are really interested to score excellent marks or if you just want to pass the exam, these last 45 days is very much helpful for you. If you want to join that program, already 5 batches are running. So if you interested, you need to pay 5,000 rupees for that. In that videos, very high yield topics are there like cataract, glaucoma, postpartum hemorrhage, like general anesthesia, inhalation, and intravenous local anesthesias, such topic, okay, like asphyxias, such all topic I cover, high yield 150 topics. Every topic video duration is around 12 minutes or 10 minutes, not more. And if you want to join from today or from tomorrow, then immediately I am going to provide you nearly 80 videos, and after that 2 videos per day, and I am going to finish all 150 videos before last week of February. And after that you have revision time, you can revise every day, you can make your own notes. And 2000 NEET PG 2022, nearly 2000 MCQ I am going to provide you free of cost on YouTube, no charges for that. You can search playlist NEET PG 2022, already there 230 MCQs are there. You can go through all that MCQs. And guys, this is the only way, simple way to score excellent marks or to crack NEET exam in so simple and sweet manner. Total 150 videos. If you want to take that subscription, you need to pay 5,000 rupees. And how to pay, the link in description, and I'm going to provide you their WhatsApp number. For any queries, any help, you can contact on that WhatsApp number. So guys, if you not prepare well till now, then you have time to score excellent rank. Is it possible in last 45 days strategy to crack examination? So I'm going to provide you videos, 150 high yield topics, and in 150 high yield topics, in examination, lot of probability to you receive MCQs directly from that topic. 100 to 150 MCQs in exam, they are very much helpful for you to score excellent rank. And if you are interested, welcome, and you join that program. And in last 10 days I am going to provide you such videos, how to attempt MCQ and how to score excellent marks in spite of not prepared well. If you are not able to prepare well, how to score, how to be confident in exam, and how to crack the exam. Such all strategies I am going to provide you. Thank you, good day, goodbye. 5,000 rupees fees is non-refundable. You can pay 5,000 rupees and you can subscribe that program. Thank you.